In this video, we're going to take a look at SolSniper, a tool built for tracking and sniping tokens on the Solana network. I'll walk you through the basics, show you how it works, and share a few tips on getting started. And we're gonna go on over to the buy and sell settings, click that, and just to get our feet wet, test everything out. We're just gonna use a minimum amount of 0.05. You guys could use whatever amount you wanna use here. The priority fee, I'm just gonna leave it at the 0.001, and for the slippage, which controls the acceptable price change, I have mine set to 50 by default, but the bot always aims for the lowest possible. So I'm just gonna scroll down a little bit. So now, as far as selling our take profit, I'm just gonna leave mine at 50%. And right here, stop loss, protecting your Solana, I'm gonna leave mine at 20%. Trailing stop is a little bit of an advanced feature, but it's basically, if the price moves up, the stop loss moves up with it. And as far as use your own RPC goes, this is for advanced users who have private nodes, so they can paste their own HTTPS RPC endpoints. Usually, I just leave mine off. So before we hit run the bot now, we want to check out these safety features. This is actually super important, so let's click this. So for the top 10 holders, mine is currently at 25. I'm just gonna bump it up to 30 right there. And for the bundled max, this is the maximum bundled percentage we can tolerate. Bundle means that Debs bought at the exact same time as he launched token. So this is not a red flag immediately, but percentage of bundles does matter. So let's just go ahead and put bundled max to 20%. And as far as max same block buys, it's the maximal number of the buys in the same block when the token is launched. Many same block buys might indicate insider trading, so I'm just gonna put mine at 20. And remember, you guys can increase or decrease these numbers to your likings. Safety check period, I'm just gonna leave mine at 10 seconds. And as far as all these checkboxes go, I'm just gonna leave all of these empty, and I'm only gonna check this one right here. Bully tokens migrated from pump.fun. And the reason for that is it covers the majority of filters that I just left unchecked. We just went over all the settings for buying and selling. We went over all our safety features. So just make sure that you guys have all that intact. Once you do, it is now time to run this automated bot. Let's go. Right over here, we got a message. It says bot started sniping new tokens according to your settings. Alright, so we are in a trade right now, and this day is working also. Look at this. We can see the profits moving wide. Let's see if we can expand this a little bit. Look at this. I'm up 11% on this thing. This is crazy, ladies and gentlemen. Wow. We received a big dump right there. Could be just somebody selling, taking profits. Wow, look at it. See? That's how markets work, we go up, we pull back, we go up, we pull back. Whatever, let the bot do its thing. Let's chill out. Not even 2 minutes in, we automatically bought. We survived this big dump right here, and we sold right there on my settings. You guys can customize the settings to how you like and set it up the way you guys want to set it up. I'm just gonna go ahead and stop this bot right now.